To work an air conditioner effectively, first, set the thermostat to a comfortable temperature, usually around 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure the air filter is clean. A dirty filter restricts airflow and makes the unit work harder. If it's a window unit, ensure it's properly sealed to prevent warm air from sneaking in. For central systems, check the vents to ensure they're open and unobstructed. Regular maintenance is key. Clean the coils and schedule professional servicing at least once a year. And remember, using fans can help circulate the cool air, making your space feel even more comfortable without cranking up the AC.